because NVIDIA have been in the news a lot recently, right?
So NVIDIA also had this update to their DLSS. It makes your game just more realistic. But as we've seen from the internet, people don't love it because sometimes it's a bit too much, a bit too ultra realistic.
Cmd AI.
Yeah, because a lot of games, there's charm and there's intention behind. There's a lot of intention behind the graphic design and the just the aesthetic of some of these characters, you know. Especially, you know, how classic is the metaverse, Mark Zuckerberg. That's deliberate, intentional, you know. I'm joking. It's not. Obviously, it looks like trash, but oh my God. But saying that, yeah, I think people are a bit...
yeah, people are having fun with it, so... Yeah, it is looks maxing, but it is maybe a bit too realistic, a bit too sharpened, but I guess that's just small things maybe that can be changed.
I actually, you know, every time I see a DLSS update, my brain can't wrap around because games run at a high speed, right? You know, frame rate. How is it? Is it like, I just can't wrap my head around how it's doing this. Is it running slightly behind?
So this is not good for games that need like accurate high frame rates. For example, if you are playing Counter-Strike or like in my case, League of Legends, I can't imagine like an extra frame that is, you know, randomly generated and is not representing the, you know, the player's movement.
This one playing Fortnite on this though, with using this. I don't know.
I don't know. Maybe it is getting that fast. Yeah.
Yeah.
But for games like, imagine like playing Red Dead Redemption on a higher quality, like much higher quality. I don't know if you've played that game.
I know of it. It's the same people who made Grand Theft Auto, right?
Yeah.
This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.
Cmd AI.